Please be advised that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
That this year, and this culture's changed forever.
Here comes Mahomes, trying to find the end zone, and no! How about that? One last indignity.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. People who are rooting for the Kansas City Chiefs are at this moment rising up because they think there is cheating going on in the Super Bowl. Due to the nature and popularity of this sports event, the Department of Homeland Security is making an advisory that people stay in their homes, as this situation could escalate very quickly. Stay tuned for further updates.
Was over. Gronkowski comes out of retirement. Fournette was looking for a home. And when the Super Bowl ended, the ball would be in the hands of Tom Brady.
I don't know why we ever think.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. People all over the country, who are Chiefs fans, are now in a full uproar. Millions of people have taken to the streets. In a joint statement, all police departments have come to a unanimous agreement, with the endorsement of the governors, to impose a curfew. Anyone seen outside after 15 minutes will be treated as hostile, and will be detained. In the event someone attempts to loot your home or place of work, you are hereby given authority to kill on sight. Stay tuned for further information. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. We have now confirmed that a satellite broadcasting station was hijacked by these radical fans. It has also been confirmed that there are multiple groups causing panic. Those groups are the following: the American National Socialist Workers Party, the National Reformation Party, and the Kansas City Chiefs cohort of looters. The government has now declared a state of emergency, as it seems not only has there been an outrage about sports, but the fascist people in America want power. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. We have now confirmed that a satellite broadcasting station was hijacked by these radical fans. It has also been confirmed that there are multiple groups causing panic. Those groups are the following: the American National Socialist Workers' Party, the National Reformation Party, and the Kansas City Chiefs cohort of looters. The government has now declared a state of emergency, as it seems not only has there been an outrage about sports, but the fascist people in America want power. Stay tuned for further updates.
People of America, for too long, the worker has been abused at the hands of the proletariat. It is our duty to stand for the rights of the workers of America. We ask that you take your guns and your knives and purge the capitalist pigs off this earth, and to stand with us for a better, socialist America. And to the masses of proletariats out there shaking their heads at us, tonight, you meet your maker.
Brothers and sisters of America, tonight we stand amidst the precipice of disaster. All throughout the game, players have been discriminated against by the referees, players benched because of their perceived temper, although they just belong to a minority. Don't you see that the white man has turned a sport we hold so dear into another game of race? Brothers and sisters of America, now is our time for change. Stand with us, for the fight for equality will be hard. We nominate Tyrann Mathieu as the MVP because he stood up to the man, but the question is, will you?
Patriots of America, we now speak to you to ask that you come to your senses and fight for the security and freedom of America. The attackers of our country have a facade, equality, or workers' rights, but they have the same governmental principles as Adolf Hitler. Do you not see it? Equality and people's rights are important. But you won't get it by fighting with them. Fight with the patriots. Grab your guns, grab your knives, give your family reassurance, and protect your property. Soon, a message will be played that will tell you what to do. Good luck, patriots.
You idiots, you think we care about rights or whatever else you're going on about? No. We just loot for the sake of it. It's fun out here. So Chiefs fans, if you're outraged, get out here and loot something. You'll feel a lot better.